the 6th MLP Battalion Umran, led by ABSI PS Kachari. Following their heels are the 6th
Hakabayas nok tilang bat kari baro akawe ban burami kasngi bala IT pat ba ya kari tisensyar kari haka arpoi trik ukelalengkot khat kendai spa sanpho ka office jong kari Bhoi district menta kasngi ka rakhe ya ka Republic Day ha NSCA mini stadium Pahams Aim Nongpo u menteri ke sarkar jila badai pe ye katna transport u badai ru MLA ka mawhati uba dasakyat bha lamare ulai donlang hakane ke jingrakhe kum u kongsan hakane gesngi lai donlang ru MLA ka nongpo uba meral bonds aim ka deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district ikong RM kurba u superintendent of police Bhoi u Giri Prasad bat kiwe pat ki he sarkar habakren kum ukongsan hakane gisngi uba dasakyat bha lamare ulapan pau ya shibon ki kam ki baga sarkar kalala ban pun urlong haki benta bapher jong ki kam penroi ha ka jilla ulapan kun mauru ya ka jingno asanyang bat len nade jong ki nongele lai lo kari ki bala IT lade bangin la banyo ya ka jing lai lo bat la ka jong kari ti sensyar nakakti jong ki phareng hakane ke jing rakhe layo ru ye ki program bapher nadu ki program tenrai ka jing parade bat ka jing kinte ya kalama jongari da ukongsan.
Let us on this day pay homage to all the freedom fighters who fought for our country's independence. Let us remember with reverence Meghalaya's own patriots, namely U Tirot Singh, U Kiang Langba, and Patogan and Sangma, and many other unsung heroes. I would also like to greet the members of the armed forces, the parliamentary forces, and the police force for the selfless services rendered in order to ensure safety for all citizens. Meghalaya has carved out of Assam as an autonomous state in April 1970 and was declared a full-fledged state on 21st January 1972. The state was witnessed a remarkable journey over the last 50 years and has seen significant changes and developments. As we celebrate this momentous milestone in the history of our beautiful state, Meghalaya, it is indeed a proud privilege for me to extend my heartiest greetings to the people of the state on completion of 50 eventful years of statehood. In the road sector expansion and rehabilitation, work for some of the important major district roads under the rupees 1,100 crores World Bank funded integrated transport project is making steady progress. We have built over 1,200 kilometers of rural roads under PMGSY over the past 3 years. In the last 1 year, the state government built an average of 60 kilometers of roads every month. Ensuring that all citizens of the state get drinking water supply at their doorstep has been a priority of this government. Sustained efforts are being made for installation of functional household tap connection at every rural household by December 2022 against the national target of December 2024 under the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme. While in 2019 only about 4,500 households had access to tap water supply, today the coverage has increased to over 2 lakh households. We are the second most improved state in India, and we are striving to cover all the remaining households by the end of this year. In the health sector, state government has initiated the Meghalaya Health Systems Strengthening Project with funding from the World Bank to infuse around rupees 350 crore in a span of 5 years to improve health care infrastructure in the state. In the first phase, healthcare facilities in 156 institutions shall be improved, which shall include renovation and establishment of new infrastructure in various districts.